bird on the way. On the heavy rain, we can get up to about 5 or 6 metres in tree.
Hello guys, welcome back to our New Zealand travel series. Today we are taking you on a journey through some of the most beautiful untouched spots in New Zealand's South Island. Welcome to Milford Sound. This is one of the most breathtaking places on earth. Tucked away in New Zealand's Fiordland National Park, this natural wonder is often called the eighth wonder of the world. So we just reached to the Milford Sound. The first thing to know, there's a pay machine for parking. Yes, and you need a ticket. Now we are heading toward the cruise terminal. Just a heads up, you can't drive your own vehicle into this area. It's restricted. But if you are coming with the tour bus, they are allowed to go to Writing. Inside here, there are several counters where you can book different activities. You can actually get your cruise ticket on the same day, but we booked ours online, which made it way easier. All we have to do now is wait for the office to open, get our ticket, and head to the gates. There are a few different cruises you can choose from, even an overnight cruise. You can spend a night out in the middle of the sea. But we chose the 2-hour morning cruise. And it cost us around $300 for both of us. One thing to watch out for here is sandflies. They are everywhere, especially near the water. Make sure to wear clothes that cover your arms and legs and definitely apply insect repellent. If you forget it, no worries. You can buy some from the counters here. Honestly, we didn't take it seriously the first time and we ended up feeling sick. Maybe some allergy or reaction, so be careful. Milford Sound is known for rain, like all day rain, but today the sky is clear, absolutely beautiful. We booked the Milford Sound morning cruise, and honestly, we are feeling super lucky today. We are on board now. The cruise has two levels: indoor seating downstairs and an open deck up top.
Also, there's a rubbish bin there for your convenience. Please do use that rubbish. Do not throw any rubbish overboard. Prohibit under maritime law. Must be on the keep this place as pristine as possible. Smoking or vaping is not permitted on the vessel at any stage throughout the cruise. Refrain from that. Appearances when you're moving around.
Just look at this view. It's so amazing. The cliffs rise up so high on both sides. It's like we are sailing through a canyon made of waterfalls. The mix of calm water, misty cliffs, and just silence. It's something you really have to feel in person.
Within the rock pods through here, you might see some white streaks, that's fjord. Bit of a brown stain just on the waterline there, that's actually iron ore. A lot of minerals are in the mineable quantity throughout Milford Sound here and throughout Fiordland. But being a national park and World Heritage Area, these minerals are all protected from any. After heavy rain, we can get up to about 5 or 6 metres of fresh water on the surface of the fjord. I'm going to explain more about that later on in the cruise.
And if you are lucky, you might spot some animals out here. Sometimes you can see sails chilling on the rocks or even dolphins in the water. We didn't see any this time, but they do show up pretty often. So keep your camera ready just in case. Inside it's warm and cozy, which is perfect because it's pretty chilly outside. And yes, they have good free tea, coffee, and even hot chocolate. Honestly, that hot chocolate hits different with these views. So we have seen the waterfalls, sought out the views, and had our hot chocolate. And honestly, this whole cruise has been unreal.
No sunlight shines directly into that area at all at any stage of the year. We're going to go and have a closer look for those on the front. You might get wet, and believe me, the water from this waterfall is actually quite wet, believe it or not, but it has magical powers. If you experience this water on your face, you'll become 10 years younger overnight. So this is a big opportunity for some of you maybe. Just be mindful of your cameras and electronic equipment, because it does get a bit damp there. If you don't want to get wet, maybe come on inside.
The captain just announced we are getting close to Stirling Falls, one of the biggest and most powerful waterfalls here. And get this, the boat actually goes right underneath it. So yeah, we are about to get soaked. After heading back, we spent some time exploring around the decks, soaking in the waves. Milford Sound is such a magical place. If you are visiting New Zealand, this is a must-do activity in Milford Sound. Just book your cruise in advance and come prepared for weather and everything, and you will have the best time. Now we are heading back to the terminal. It honestly went by so fast, but what an amazing experience. Hope you enjoyed our vlog. Next up, we are showing you Milford Sound Lodge. It's an amazing place to stay. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day.